quickly up. So the patterns goes like this. We start with the left foot back walk, right foot back replace, right foot forward walk. Now accelerating with the left foot forward walk, pointing your right foot forward. Gonna be 3 accents with the arm. Reach out, pull towards the rib cage, explode. Now right foot back, left foot back, recover, using your right hip to guide your left toe into rondé. Then press line position, make sure you rotate your standing foot a lot. Falling over there, and then we hit a side step. With cucaracha, basic sliding doors, through the forward walk turning. We're gonna collect through the inside and outside swivel, and finish with a 3-step turn. Let's finish this direction for today. The timing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, basic sliding doors, 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, something like this after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, soft, so here I want to have a bit of accent when I place my foot, and then I go soft again. So again, you see, it depends a lot of the context. What you did before, what you're gonna do after. So if you was accented and aggressive and quick, probably the next part should be soft, and vice versa. So you don't want to be soft for too long, or to be active for too long in a row. Yeah, you want to constantly change the mood, constantly change dynamic. All right. So okay. So for the routine, this is gonna be your goal. The arms, the space, they're gonna squeeze this feeling. The accents. For the mechanic, for the warm-up, foot heel off the floor, big